All right. So, hi, my name is Linda Shung. I'm the photo editor and photographer at the Kennedy Center and International Vice President's Office. And so, over the last couple of months, I've been looking at all of your photographs and seeing all the wonderful adventures you all went on, and it was been very fun. So, the Kennedy Center is a really unique place on campus. Sorry. Let's go back. Oops, sorry, spoiler. Okay. It's a really unique place on campus where we can turn the motto, "The world is our campus," and make that a reality. And the Kennedy Center Photo Contest provides an opportunity for students enrolled in a BYU International Study Program to show global awareness and perspectives through original photography. So all of these images that are featured today document how each student applied the Kennedy Center's motto of expand your world, whether it be through venturing beyond familiar boundaries, immersing themselves in diverse cultures, and broadening their perspectives through international experiences, while fostering personal growth and a global understanding. So images from this contest will be displayed throughout campus, particularly here in the Kennedy Center just down this hall. So right after the ceremony, we'll unveil the photos and you can go check them out. And first, I wanted to give a special thanks to our judges and other people who were making this photo contest happen. Paul Adams, Roland Hotchkiss, Heather Belknap, Chalita Pate, Marnie Hassan, Kelly Russell, and Corey Leonard. And now, so this year is the 23rd year of the Kennedy Center Photo Contest. We received 499 submissions, and we appreciate each of you so much for participating and making this a great year for the contest. The images you're about to see were chosen from fellow students who expanded their world on study programs this year. Now I'm going to turn it back to Chalita Pate, Program Coordinator for International Study Programs, to announce the awards for the 2022 to 2023 Annual Kennedy Center Photo Contest. Oh, and if you are here and we call your name, please come up and share a little bit about your photograph. It can be like one sentence if you would like to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But it would just be cool.
I don't know. If you want the money, you better come up. Okay, this is the exciting part, guys. Yay! So we have some honorable mentions. And the first one goes to, it's called Morning Routine. And it was submitted by Daniel Hatch, and he participated on the Taipei, Taiwan Study Abroad Program. Yay, yay. Congratulations, Nathaniel. Do you want to tell us a little bit?
Just like a couple sentences.
Yeah.
I took this picture after a hike that we did in the middle of Taipei, and it was cool because I was just like looking at the photos I had taken from the hike, and we walked past this park, and we saw, we just looked over, and there was this super serene moment of some elderly people doing Tai Chi in the park. You can't really see it, but the leaves were falling really cool. Anyways, it was a cool moment. Just shows that sometimes the best moments are the unplanned moments.
Okay, thank you. Did I? I see. Okay, I think I forgot to mention the award amount. He is going to get $100 for his submission. Okay, and then the next honorable mention is called Double Jump, and it was submitted by Avery Keller, and she participated on the Advertising International Awards show. Is Avery here? Would you like to come up?
Yeah, this was taken in Switzerland. I don't know, I was too scared to jump in the water because it was freezing, so I just took pictures.
That works too. Okay, and then the next honorable mention is called Daddy Foss. I think that's how you say it. And it was submitted by Sabi Reese, and she participated on the expedition Planet Earth, who went to London, Iceland, and Norway. Is Sabi here? Okay, let's clap for her anyway. Yay! She will still get the $100. So, Okay, the next one is called The Passion of Christ at Trafalgar Square, and it was submitted by Brianne Barba, and she participated in the London Center designing the London Experience program. Is it Brian or Brian? Oh, sorry. I'm seeing an A here.
This is Trafalgar Square in England. Very historical place where there's a lot of protests and stuff that always kind of happens there. People gather together, and in this occasion, they do the representation of the Passion of Christ. So it's a great cultural experience. From the church puts together there, and like the community participates, and there's a lot of like just people from the community that are acting in this, and it's I think it's a pretty cool experience to participate in. Thank you.
Thank you, Brian. My apologies for mispronouncing your name. Okay, the next one is called Minoru Asai, and it was submitted by Tatiana Rich, and she participated in the Japan Study Abroad program. Yay, where is she? There she is.
Okay, so this is my, I think it's twice great aunt and uncle. And this is just like in their home in Japan. My family has been in America for a really long time, so our relations to our family in Japan are kind of distant, but it was super cool. When I went on my study abroad, I got to go visit my family there, and this was actually just before we were leaving their house. I just, took this picture kind of on the spot just quickly, so.
Thank you. That is a cool story. Thank you for sharing that. The next one is called Conquering Mountains, and it was submitted by Elizabeth Liu, and she participated on the Europe Business Study Abroad. Yay, Elizabeth.
This was after a really big hike that we did in Norway, and I was kind of in a lot of pain. But this kind of just represents how we can choose the path that we go on, and we could just keep continuing forward, and we can forge our own path in this world. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Okay, we're moving on to the next category, which is the runners-up. And these prize winners will be awarded $500 each. This one is called Hikers Between France and Italy in Mont Blanc 2023. And Reagan Sweat submitted it, and they participated in the Advertising International Awards Shows program. Yay, and Reagan is here.
Yeah, this was taken on film. It's on Kodak 400 film. And I painstakingly brought my film photography all through Europe. And this is like 15,000 feet in elevation. You take this like tiny little red tram all the way to the top of a mountain, and you can take this little tram from the mountain range from France to Italy. So it's like a 30-minute roundabout thing that you sit in, and we cheated, and you can take the tram to the top, but people hike it. Like that's like one of their big goals in life is to hike this range, and so I took it of them hiking it. Yeah.
Thank you. I bet that tram is a little bigger than she's painting it to be. Next to that big mountain, it probably was little. Okay, the next runner-up is the photo is called A Glimpse of Italy's Heart and Soul. And Keely Weeks submitted it. And she went on the Europe Study Abroad program.
Okay, this was like one of the coolest little moments. It was just this guy, he had a little shop, and we came in with a huge group of people, and like there was nowhere to sit, but he was so cute, and he went through and he made us all these tables, and he took such good care of us, and I've just never experienced hospitality like I did in Italy, so I just thought it was really cool.
Okay, guys, this is the big one. Okay, this is the best in show, and the winner gets $1,000, which is the grand prize. So the winner of this, its submission is called Eyes Closed, and it was submitted by Anna Burton, and she went to the Jerusalem Center. Is Anna here? Oh, there she is.
This is in the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. It's the most likely location that Christ was crucified, buried, prepared to be buried, and resurrected. And this is right adjacent to this giant court, and it is so always packed with people. It is always bustling. It's so loud every time you go there. But I look to the side, and there's this row of women all just completely silent in this kind of dim lighting, and I was so overcome with their faith, and I decided to capture it. Thank you.
And thank you so much for submitting your photos, and thank you for participating in an international study program. Please tell your friends so that they can also share in these awesome and amazing experiences like you did. Thank you for coming today.
So, thank you also for coming, like Chalita said, and please stop by and enjoy all the tacos, and also please look at the photographs in the gallery. They'll be up throughout the whole year until our next contest next year. So we hope that each of you have been inspired by what you've seen today, and invite you to participate in next year's contest if you're going on a study abroad between now and next year. Thank you all for attending, and we hope that you'll keep documenting your ventures at home and abroad.